Let us study what exactly is lean manufacturing. Lean manufacturing is simply manufacturing products by creating more value to the customers using minimum resources with the minimization of the waste in every steps of the manufacturing process. Value is the ability to provide the customers what they want in right time, right quality, and in right cost. So with lean, we try to create value in the products according to the customer's demand in right time, quality, and cost. Waste is any activity that utilizes time, space, and resources without adding value to the product. Now let us learn something about the lean manufacturing approach. The lean manufacturing approach is basically different from the traditional manufacturing approach in two ways. First of all, lean helps to simplify the complexities. It doesn't encourage addition of more machine or addition of more people or manpower or simply create a complex process. Lean always welcomes simplifying the process and making them easily operational. Similarly, lean helps to manufacture and deliver the products by providing the customers in right time, the right product in the right amount. The end result is a win-win situation where the company can generate the profits and the customers can get the products with the required values. But lean is not just the cost-related approach. Lean is a way of thinking and organization of the entire organization. It helps the organization or the industries to be competitive and innovative. The basic goal of the lean is maximizing the outputs according to the demand of the customer and also maximizing the profit. But there are some differences between the traditional manufacturing approach and the lean manufacturing approach. Let us look some of the differences. In traditional manufacturing approach, productivity is believed to increase by increasing the workforce. This is not true all the time. In such a manufacturing approach, the workers may sit idle at some time and they may feel overburdened at other times. Also, addition of the manpower has a direct effect on the cost of operation and profit of the company. Lean manufacturing approach, on the other hand, believes that productivity can be increased by effective use of only proficient people in right time and places. More than hiring a group of workers, Lean believes in automation and standardization of the process. The second difference is, in traditional manufacturing approach, productivity is thought to increase by increasing the input or raw material, people or machine, etc. Lean manufacturing approach, on the other hand, believes that productivity can be increased by decreasing the waste. In fact, we learned before that lean helps to increase the value of the product or process or services by decreasing the waste. Waste are basically of the three kinds, Mura, Mura or Muri, which we will be learning in detail later. But waste can also be caused due to various other activities such as overprocessing, unnecessary motion or transfer, use of inefficient people or the waste of talents, or there may be waste caused due to various kinds of the defects. We will study about 8 kinds of waste later in this course. Similarly, traditional manufacturing approach believes that productivity can be increased by increasing the working hours. Lean manufacturing approach, on the other hand, believes that productivity can be increased by efficient use of people, equipment, and process only. Traditional manufacturing approach believes that productivity can be increased by adding the machine. And lean manufacturing approach believes that productivity can be increased by standardizing the work. Standardization is the process of documenting the correct sequences of the work for the maximum profitability, customer experience, and maximization of the outputs. So, in traditional manufacturing approach, there are a lot of dilemma regarding selection of the right process, people, and raw material. These all may result in the dead end of the business. So what are the principles of lean? The first principle of Lean is defining the values. What does this mean? Value of any product or services should be defined according to the customer's perspective. Value, as we learned earlier, is the ability to provide the customers what they want in right time, quality, and cost. The end result are the happy customers. The second principle of Lean is identification of the value stream. We should identify those properties which adds and which do not add value to the product. This principle also encourages eliminating and reduction of the less value adding process or steps. The third principle of Lean is creating the flow. It simply means making a sequential and logical flow of the process, adding value to the product. The fourth principle is creating a pull system. Pull system simply means producing only those products or engaging time for only those items that are on demand by the customers. Similarly, the fifth principle is heading towards perfection. This can be obtained by eliminating waste and improving the process continuously to reach the perfection. So, lean manufacturing is a continuous improvement process.